We all want pushed out. So you can do it. Ask anyone that you trust. May I tell you, if he knows how to pray, he isn't going to burst any blood vessel. He isn't going to get down on his knees and pray to any external God if he knows how to pray. He isn't going to beg of anyone in this world. What he will do, he will simply represent you to himself as one telling him that you have what you asked of him. And when he is satisfied that you told him that you have it, don't ask the second time for the same thing, because he is not going to listen to you. He heard it, he is still hearing it, and he will continue to hear it until that which he has heard is perfectly externalized. So don't think you need several treatments. That's a lot of nonsense. Treatments for what? It either is or it isn't. So when they start getting you on the hook and say, no, I think you'll need more treatments, you need more treatment, she or he or the crowd, they do not know what they are doing. When you pray, go within and close the door of the senses. Deny all that seems so obvious, and your Father who is within will reward you openly. But commune with self, for you and the Father are one.